A fire at the home of a Delhi High Court judge has ignited a major scandal. The late-night blaze at Justice Yashwant Varma's residence revealed a shocking secret sacks of cash hidden within. The discovery has sent shockwaves through India's legal system, raising serious concerns about judicial integrity. The fire broke out on March 14, 2025, in a storeroom at Justice Varma's official residence. Firefighters, responding to an emergency call, managed to contain the blaze. However, during their operation, they stumbled upon a startling find: sacks filled with currency, some charred by the fire, hidden in the room. The Delhi Police Commissioner, present at the scene, had photographs and videos taken. The images later released by the Supreme Court show the extent of the hidden cash. One can hear gasps and murmurs in the background as a fireman pulls out a partially burnt sack, someone remarking, "Mahatma Gandhi mein aag lag gayi," referencing the image on the banknotes. The discovery immediately raised red flags. The sheer volume of cash coupled with its unusual hiding place pointed towards something amiss. News of the incident spread like wildfire, prompting calls for a thorough investigation and raising questions about the source and legitimacy of the money. The amount of cash recovered from Justice Varma's residence remains undisclosed. However, sources suggest it is a significant sum, running into crores. The fact that the money was stashed away in a storeroom rather than a bank has further fueled suspicions. Adding to the intrigue, the storeroom was reportedly a restricted area primarily accessed by Justice Varma's personal staff, and occasionally by CPWD personnel for maintenance. This raises questions about how such a large amount of cash could be stored there without anyone raising an alarm. The Supreme Court, in an unprecedented move, released the video footage and photographs from the scene. This unusual step underscores the gravity of the situation and the court's commitment to transparency. The release of the visual evidence has only intensified public scrutiny. The images of charred currency notes, stark against the backdrop of the fire-ravaged room, paint a damning picture. The visual evidence has fueled public outrage and demands for accountability. Justice Yashwant Varma has vehemently denied any knowledge of the hidden cash. He claims that neither he nor his family had anything to do with it. In his defense, Justice Varma has alleged a possible conspiracy against him. He has criticized media reports for what he calls sensationalism and a rush to judgment. Justice Varma has maintained his innocence, stating that he is confident that the truth will prevail. He has expressed his full cooperation with the ongoing investigation. In response to Delhi High Court Chief Justice Devendra Kumar Upadhyay's request for an explanation, Justice Varma formally denied the allegations. He has stated that he is unsure how the cash ended up in his residence and has questioned the security protocols of his official residence. However, despite his claims of innocence, the circumstances surrounding the discovery remain suspicious. The fact that such a large sum of money was found hidden in his residence raises serious questions that Justice Varma needs to answer. The Supreme Court, taking a serious view of the matter, has initiated a high-level inquiry. A three-member committee, headed by Justice Sheel Nagu, Chief Justice of the Punjab and Haryana High Court, has been constituted to probe the allegations against Justice Varma. The committee, which also includes Justice G.S. Santawaliya and Justice Anu Sivaraman, has been tasked with conducting a thorough and impartial investigation. They will examine all evidence, including witness testimonies and forensic reports, to ascertain the truth behind the hidden cash. In a significant development, the Supreme Court Collegium, headed by Chief Justice of India Sanjeev Khanna, has recommended Justice Varma's transfer back to the Allahabad High Court. While this transfer is independent of the ongoing inquiry, it is being seen as a precautionary measure to ensure the integrity of the judicial process. The Supreme Court has also instructed the Delhi High Court to provide all assistance to the inquiry committee. The court's swift and decisive action underscores its commitment to upholding the highest standards of judicial conduct.